Ranveer Singh Bhavani is an Indian actor who appears in Hindi films, the recipient of several awards, including 4 Filmfare Awards. Singh is among the highest paid actors in the country and has featured in Forbes India Celebrity 100 list since 2014. He was born on 6 July 1985 into a Sindhi family in Bombay to mother Anju Bhavani and father Jagjit Singh Bhavani, and he has an elder sister named Ritika Bhavani. Ranveer Singh is the maternal third cousin of actress Sonam Kapoor. Ranveer Singh always aspired to be an actor, participating in several school plays and debates. However, after he joined HR College of Commerce and Economics in Mumbai, later he went to United States where he received his Bachelor degree of Arts from Indiana University. At the university, Ranveer Singh decided to take acting classes and took up theatre as his mirror. After completing his studies, he returned to Mumbai in 2007, and Ranveer Singh worked for few years in advertising as a copywriter with the agency like O&M and J. Walter Thompson. He then worked as an assistant director but left it to pursue acting. He then decided to send his portfolio to directors. He would go for all kinds of audition but did not get any good opportunities, which was very frustrating at the time. Later, he made his acting debut in 2010 with a leading role in Yash Raj films romantic comedy Band Baja Barat. The film emerged as a critical and commercial success, earning him the Filmfare Award for the Best Male Debut. Later, he done Lutera in 2013 and established himself with a collaboration with Sanjay Leela Bhansali, beginning with the romance Golio Ki Ras Leela Ram Leela in 2013. Ranveer Singh gained critical acclaim for portraying Bajirao and Alauddin Khilji in Bhansali period's drama Bajirao Mastani in 2015 and Padmavati in 2018, for which he won the Filmfare Award for the Best Actor for the former and the Filmfare Critics Award for the Best Actor for the latter. Then he done Simba in 2018, which is the highest grossing Indian films, and he won another Filmfare for the Gully Boy in 2019. And on 14 November 2018, Ranveer Singh married to Deepika Padukone. By profession, she is a popular Indian actress, and as of 2020, Ranveer Singh has an estimated net worth of $30 million, in India 228 crore rupees, and he is the owner of expensive cars and house. And let's get it on. Number 1, Lamborghini US, which costs around $200,000 in India 3.1 crore rupees. Number 2, Aston Martin Rapidas. The cost of the car is $244,000 in India 3.29 crore rupees. Number 3, Mercedes-Benz GLS 350. The cost of the car is $70,000 in India 88.2 lakh rupees. And you can watch full detailed car collection video on my channel. Ranveer Singh Goregaon apartment, which costs around 25 crore rupees, and he also owned a Goa apartment and an apartment in Beaumont Towers, which costs around 15 crore rupees.